Today's story is going to be about suffering. We have two neighbors. They live very close to each other. Their two houses are right next to each other. And one of the neighbors has a cat.
It's a beautiful cat. It's a gorgeous cat. And he loves it very much.
Oh, my Priscilla. My cats, come here, my sweetie. Oh, how I miss you. I miss you dearly. Oh.
The other neighbor, he has a cat allergy. Oh, and this cat, it likes to visit the allergic neighbor's yard.
The poor guy looked forward to the day when the cat was no more, but he patiently waited for God to take care of that problem. One day, an RC car drives by. It was driving recklessly, then it hit the cat. It was the worst day of the old man's life. He was devastated.
No, my Priscilla. I miss you so much. I love you so dearly.
The allergic man came up to him. Will he be happy that the cat died, or will he be ecstatic?
I know how much you loved your cat. She was a very pretty cat. Unfortunately, I didn't know her that well. Would you like to come to my house? You could tell me all about her. I would love that.
Sometimes we're very miserable. Sometimes things happen to us that we just, we're sad and they make us sad. But how do we react when those miserable things go away, but they cause someone else to be sad? Do we start rejoicing that, oh, yes, finally? Or do we also grieve for another person? See, the neighbor with the allergy, he was probably very happy that now there's no more cat to cause him allergies, woohoo! But at the same time, he understands that the old man is going to suffer now. He lost someone that he loved very much. He loved that kitty. Today's lesson is going to be that same kind of idea. So when you listen to today's lesson, keep in mind, what would a normal person react like when this miserable thing goes away versus how did David react when the source of his misery went away? So keep that in mind for today's lesson.